So I'm going to show you how to hide the text message contents from the lock screen of your Galaxy A17 5G. So you might want your message notifications to appear on the lock screen, but not the contents of that particular text message. So to do that, just go and unlock your phone and go to settings. Under settings, go to notifications, tap on that, and then go to app notifications, and then go and find the messages app, tap on that. Now make sure messages notifications are allowed. Now once they're allowed, you can also make sure lock screen notifications are enabled. That means you're going to see the notifications on the lock screen, but to hide the content, tap here and select hide when locked. So that means on the lock screen, as long as your phone is locked, you'll never see the text message contents on that lock screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.